Hello lovelies, this week's product review is quinoa, often pronounced quinoa, but it's quinoa. Now quinoa is technically a seed, not a grain. And what does that mean for you? It just means that quite often seeds are way more nutritious. They can have a lot more vitamins and minerals packed into them. In the case of quinoa, it is very high in iron and magnesium, and it's also a complete protein. And that means that it has all of the amino acids, including the ones that our body needs to get from food. Now, why would you bother learning how to cook another grain, or in this case a seed that acts like a grain? Why would you bother to introduce something new into your diet? Well, there's a very, very good reason: gut diversity. We have learned that your good gut bacteria thrives when it gets lots of different types of fruits and vegetables, lots of different types of grains and seeds, and lots of different types of legumes, that your beans and lentils, and nuts and seeds, and some of the healthy fats. The more diverse you can make your diet, the more your good gut bacteria will reward you with an improved and immune system, and just help you fighting off any disease, and just basically promote health in your life. So that is why I would encourage you to experiment with different things like quinoa. And this is just, I love this because it's so easy to make. I make it exactly the same way that I make brown rice, in the rice cooker. So really easy to make, and I will warn you though, I've made it a couple of times and I tried to double the recipe, and I don't know what I did wrong. I tried to double the recipe in all sorts of, in a saucepan, in a rice cooker, in lots of different methods, and it just didn't work. So when I do 1 cup of quinoa to 2 cups of water, I get beautiful quinoa, no matter how I make it, whether it's in a saucepan or whether it's in a rice cooker. So maybe you can tell me if someone's managed to do it with like 2 cups, let me know. Anyway, I would just encourage you to try different grains, try different beans and lentils, try different fruits and vegetables, just to give your good gut bacteria more variety and be rewarded with better health. Hope that helps. Please pop any questions below, and I'll see you next week with product review.